Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab to all my viewers. We are back again with PT 365. We were discussing issues related to the Constitution, and today we'll learn about overseas citizens of India. Why they were in news? As Home Ministry published a notification which required professional OCIs such as journalists and researchers to notify about their activities in India, which OCIs, overseas citizens of India, plan to challenge. What were the issues with this notification? As it equates India domiciled OCIs with a foreigner, as it charged exorbitantly high fees under the NRI quota, which cannot be afforded by many OCIs. India domiciled OCI students are deprived of domicile status both in India as well as the country of their citizenship. These were the issues with that notification. We'll see the comparison between NRI and OCI. NRI is non-resident India. Who are NRIs? NRIs are an Indian citizens who is ordinarily residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. एक इंडियन सिटीजन्स जिनके पास में इंडियन पासपोर्ट है, इंडियन सिटीजनशिप है, but they are not residing in India, they reside ordinarily outside India. और OCI कौन है? OCI is a person registered as OCI card holder under Section 7A of Citizenship Act 1955. OCIs are of Indian origin but hold foreign passports. उनके पास इंडियन सिटीजनशिप नहीं है, they are of Indian origin, उनका origin इंडिया में है, but they have foreign passports. They are citizens of other countries. Let's see the benefits which are entitled to NRIs and OCIs. NRIs को सारे benefits available है which are available to citizens but subject to notification which will issued by government from time to time. And OCIs have multiple entry lifelong visa for visiting India for any purpose. किसी भी पर्पस के लिए कितने भी बार they can enter into India and they have a lifelong visa for visiting. They have exemption from registration for any length of stay in India. They do not need to register for their stay in India for any length of period. They have parity with NRIs in financial, economic, and educational fields. But they do not have parity with NRIs in acquisition of agricultural, farmhouse और plantation properties. वो acquire नहीं कर सकते, but they are allowed to inherit agricultural or plantation properties from any person resident in India. The inter-country adoption of Indian children is permitted to them. Pursuing professions such as doctors, pharmacists, etc. They have parity with the Indian nationals for airfare tariffs for domestic travel and entry fees to any national parks or museums. Indian nationals को जो air tariffs pay करना पड़ता है for domestic travel और नेशनल पार्क्स में और म्यूजियम्स में जो एंट्री फीस देनी पड़ती है एज इंडियन सिटीजन्स, OCIs को भी उतना ही पे करना पड़ेगा. हाउ कैन वन अक्वायर इंडियन सिटीजनशिप? NRI इज ऑलरेडी इंडियन सिटीजन, तो उन्हें कोई एप्लीकेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. OCIs को एज पर सिटीजनशिप एक्ट 1955, a person registered as an OCI for 5 years and who is ordinarily resident in India for 12 months before making an application for registration is eligible for citizenship. Under Citizenship Act 1955, अगर कोई पर्सन रजिस्टर्ड है एज एन OCI 5 साल के लिए और जो एप्लीकेशन के डेट के 12 मंथ्स तक बिफोर 12 मंथ्स इंडिया में रिसाइड कर रहे हैं, इंडिया में रह रहे हैं, तो दे आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस सिटीजनशिप. Let's see some facts about it. Part 2 of the Constitution, having Article 5 to 11, deals with the citizenship of India. 5 to 11 articles में क्या है? Article 5 deals with citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6, rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7 deals with rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 8 deals with rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 9 deals with persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10 deals with continuance of the rights of citizenship. Article 11 deals with Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Citizenship Act 1955, which provides for the acquisition of Indian citizenship via birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and 3 prescribed ways of losing Indian citizenship via renunciation, termination, and deprivation. Citizenship ये central subject है. Schedule 7 में 3 subject list है, central, state और concurrent. तो ये citizenship first list में आता है, that is central list. And the MHA periodically delegate power to state through Gazette notification under Section 16 of the Citizenship Act 1955. Ministry of Home Affairs state को power delegate कर सकता है under Section 16. Recently, 13 districts of 5 states were empowered to grant citizenship to certain applicants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. I'll read out the OCI conferment right. OCIs को क्या rights entitled नहीं है? An overseas citizen of India cardholder shall not be entitled to the following rights. They are not entitled to the right to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. They are not eligible for election as president, election as vice president, as well as for appointments as judge of the Supreme Court, judge of the High Court. He shall not be entitled for registration as voter. He shall not be eligible for being a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. He shall not be eligible for being a member of Legislative Assembly or State's Legislative Council. He shall not be eligible for appointment to public services and posts in connection with affairs of the Union or of any states until central government may specify. इनका renunciation कैसे होता है overseas citizenship का, citizen card holder का? if a cardholder makes declaration renouncing the card, registering him as an OCI cardholder, then central government, upon such registration, declare that person shall cease to be an overseas citizen. When a person ceases to be an OCI, his spouse, his or her spouse, who is of foreign origin of that person, as well a minor child, ceases to be an OCI card holder. We'll see how the central government cancels registration of OCI. If OCI cardholder was obtained by means of fraud, false representation, or the concealment of any material fact. OCI cardholder has shown disaffection towards the Constitution of India. या फिर किसी war में where in which India may be engaged, or that person unlawfully traded or communicated with an enemy. OCI cardholder has within 5 years after registration been sentenced to imprisonment for a term of not less than 2 years. And in the interest of sovereignty, integrity of India, the security of India, friendly relation of India with any foreign country, or in the interest of general public, or the marriage of OCI cardholder has been dissolved by a competent court of the law or otherwise, has not been dissolved, but during subsistence of such marriage, he has solemnized marriage with any other person. So that's all for now. Have a good day, study more, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.